Artificial intelligence, often hailed as the future, is a powerful force transforming our world. But like any powerful tool, it comes with a dual nature. From voice assistants to curated news feeds, AI seamlessly integrates into our daily lives, promising unparalleled efficiency. However, this innovation brings profound challenges. One of AI's most immediate impacts is on the labor market. The fear of automation-driven unemployment is becoming a stark reality. Jobs involving repetitive or data-driven tasks like customer service, translation, and even content creation are increasingly vulnerable to replacement by faster, cheaper AI systems. But this isn't an elimination of all jobs. It's a massive shift. As some roles diminish, new ones emerge, requiring skills in AI development, management, and ethics. The challenge isn't stopping technology, but adapting to it through a societal commitment to retraining and education for a future where humans and AI collaborate. Beyond economic disruption, AI's insatiable appetite for data has created a surveillance infrastructure that erodes personal privacy. AI systems learn by analyzing vast quantities of our personal information, from online searches and social media activity to location data. This creates risks of data breaches and misuse, as information collected for one purpose can be repurposed for manipulative advertising or even social scoring. The rise of deepfakes further blurs truth from fiction. These complex systems make it nearly impossible to know how our data is used or to have it erased, diminishing our control over our digital identities. Perhaps the most insidious threat is our own complicity, often termed the privacy paradox. People report concerns about data privacy but behave otherwise, agreeing to unread terms of service and granting apps broad permissions in exchange for convenience. To counteract this, individuals can take proactive steps to reclaim their digital autonomy. Using a privacy-focused operating system like GrapheneOS can completely secure your privacy. The integration of AI into society is a complex challenge demanding a proactive response. AI truly is a double-edged sword, offering immense promise while threatening our economic and personal lives. We must become critical citizens who demand transparency, advocate for robust regulation, and foster public awareness of our daily technological choices. The future of AI is not predetermined. We must guide its development to ensure it serves, rather than undermines, human values. Visit itechvista.com today to learn more about GrapheneOS.